Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose the right Gemini model in Google AI Studio. First, I'll show you how to choose the model. So if you come here, create a new chat here on the right hand side, the first thing you see are the models. So if you click here, you can see all the models listed and you can choose the model you want to use. For this example, let's go ahead and use a Gemini 2.5 Pro. And for each model, you'll actually see the input cost, okay, per million tokens and the output cost as well, right? And you will also see the knowledge cutoff. So the knowledge cutoff, for example, for this one, Nano Banana, was June 2025. Now it depends what you want to do. Depending on that use case, you will choose your model. For example, if you want the fastest and most cost-effective one right now, go for Gemini 2.5 Flash, okay? This one currently is actually optimized for high volume, low latency tasks. It gives you a great balance of price and performance. Okay, things like high volume chat, quick summarization, real-time question and answers, things like that. And if you go for Gemini 2.5 Pro, this one right here, it offers the best performance for complex reasoning, high quality outputs. It's generally more capable and can handle a broader range of difficult tasks with its thinking capabilities. So things like complex problem solving, detailed content generation, advanced code tasks, data analysis, things like that. And you can also go ahead and use Nano Banana, for example. This one is mainly for generating images and it's an editing model. Okay. And that is how to choose the right Gemini model in Google AI Studio.